Oh my god, it's
Good
Justin.
morning, Josh.
One
Oh,
morning.
you guys got the pot up. I gotta
Yep.
mute that.
Oh.
Ah, not our music.
Oh, I didn't mean to mute it for everyone here. Let me, there we go.
There we go. The
Yeah.
vibes are good.
Yeah, mute it for
Here's your
yourself.
coffee, Josh.
Yep, I am live on YouTube, just so everyone knows.
Yes, sir.
HR approved comments
What a
only.
overnight session,
By the
bro.
way, we're
Somebody get
at
the HR in here.
20,100 followers. Seems to be where we,
Holy, on
Wow.
TikTok?
yeah, 20,100
That's
members.
insane. That is absolutely insane.
Just so you guys
Smell your
know,
breath from here, Josh.
I'm also gonna be live on X this morning.
Yeah.
So we're about to hop in there.
YouTube, we printed on the shorts all night after that squeeze.
Yeah, yeah. And this morning.
In the
Before.
Discord.
Yeah. This morning, Bear Flag played out.
Gosh, we've been on since 6:30, bro.
Trading like they're institutional traders.
Yep. Hey, man, we gotta do what we gotta do, brother.
She could bounce off this VPVR.
Alright, guys, 1 minute before everything goes up. Psych, alive.
Asa, good morning.
Yep, he cannot hear us yet. Oh, now he could. Hey, Asa.
Well, morning.
Morning.
You got your coffee? You ready to go?
I gotta make some coffee real quick, but
Ah, you're lacking.
I know. Hop in the Discord first and then make coffee.
15 seconds till she just runs around, fellas.
Like I said multiple times, follow the speakers, check them out. I'm excited for this next time we have coming up here doing some live trading with the entire squad. Also, people, you can feel free to pin some stuff up in the next above. Yeah, so shout out to that. Check stuff up there already. Good morning, Mikey. How you doing?
Good morning. Good. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic. It's,
I mean, we have a
as a
very
news guy, we're
defined
having a good time
range
right
right now. Fridays highs and then
Absolutely.
Thursdays
Still have
lows.
some
We have a
earnings,
very
FOMC,
defined range. I want to see what this 15-minute does.
election,
Oh, market's
a lot
open.
going on.
Just open, baby.
All right. I know the trading, people have different strategies. A lot of people even wait for the first 15.
Friday's highs are up at that 288, aren't they?
I may still kind of send us around a little
Yep.
bit. I apologize.
Yeah,
if I'm
and
setting
Thursday's
engineers
lows are
cheating
down
to
at
my
that
approach here,
Who ate
though.
the fucking muffin?
Before I do that,
2010,
I
aren't they?
they want to say at the start.
Yo, Asa, he's live. You can't say the.
Can't say muffin.
Muffin Man. Muffin Man got you, bro.
Man. What the hell? My friends gave me like one of those giant Costco muffins. And it's just gone. I don't know where it could have gone. But it's gone.
They're at 320. I'm gonna take a trim here at 440 for $120 per
You
contract.
sleep
Yeah,
well.
well, I guess I'm gonna start now.
Lows that have 570, 73.
Oh, what? Anybody got in that short?
There's the prop up and down. No,
Yeah.
I can't FOMO, man. I'm just gonna wait for the range to play out. I'm just
Alright.
gonna wait.
We're gonna wait for the range to play out.
Well, I mean, if that was going to touch VMA and go up, I was going to wait on that, too.
Crazy times.
I was thinking about pulling the trigger, but I will wait now. 15-minute high.
Yeah, I mean, if you want to play a trade, play a micro and let it down. Set your stop above that prop up that we just had.
Now I was thinking about trading it from right there.
I think it's not news for Nvidia. I think it's bad news for
I don't think the
It
news
goes.
oil is going to affect.
There goes the lows, boys.
I would be more concerned that
Not they,
don't touch it with a 10-foot.
Wow.
FSLR still
Alright, let's put this,
Alright, I will sell my crystal ball for 2 million now. No kidding.
All right. I'm willing to buy it for $1 million. No more bid.
Alright, I'm gonna pick
Oh,
a better,
what?
I'm picking a better playlist. I'm picking a better playlist.
That was fire.
Hey, have a good post.
I can find a better one.
Oh yeah, Joss, you know that new guy who joined? He banked last night.
I bought.
He was in a trade with Austin.
Mag 7 starting out the day.
I'm getting in Canva a little bit early.
Most of the other ones are red. We are moving lower here, though.
I think I actually won under
A couple
220.
names are green now as I dig down.
I'll average in. I went out an extra week and bought further out the money at the 200 put.
Yeah, XLE was a bit of a pop as well.
An immediate thing that I'm watching for QQQ and NQ is the previous day low, which is Friday's low, which is also going to be our NFP low, 485.20. And we do have
Who
a
I think this is?
gap down with decent
Oh,
odds
hell
of
yeah.
filling that to the upside. So look for a bounce point to try to fill that gap at some point. We'll keep our eyes on it.
Tesla's the one trailing in the Mag 7 the most, starting the day down 3%.
I don't know why this song goes so hard on days where there's just no sun.
Oh my gosh, bro. That micro. That micro. Oh my gosh, dude, I can't believe people blew their accounts on that push up last night. Oh my god, bro. You gotta be just stupid.
Oh.
Got a trim on
Frankly, an
FSLR
idiot.
at $5 for $180.
We get the 220 cross for Carvana. We're up 25% already. I can't even type this out.
Nice.
I can't
We're
even
trying to
type
get a
this out
cross
in
down on the
time.
3 minute.
Well,
I need to turn my
Top Step last
Moving
night
fast.
printed on the
Moving very
long
fast.
last night, and then a bunch of them blew their accounts this morning when we dropped.
The bot is not working.
Bot's not tracking? The fuck?
Yeah, this is a little...
Shit. What the fuck is up with this thing?
Buy our Condor swing, up 50%.
You sent me the
This
update.
breaks down this
Did I not
don't,
update?
dude.
Oh, wait a minute. Did I not update last night?
Friday's low
Push.
getting broken on QQQ, as well as the NFP low.
Yeah, I got you. I know, I heard.
Just in my long-term account, I did the daily DCA.
Risk off before election. There it is.
Here's your entry VP.
The setup bot is not also working. Is the server just down completely? I mean, we had
Setup.
4 alerts go off this morning. None posted.
No, at least the Portainer is still up.
Possibly a spot.
The server itself is up and running. I can give them both a quick reboot and see if they're just stuck on some shit for some reason, but like... Yeah, I'm gonna just give the alert bot a
excuse
quick
me.
reboot, kick in the butt, and see if that does anything, but...
What's up, Kim?
I need to figure out if there's a better way of just getting consistent output from TradingView.
Okay.
So I still feel like TradingView is still just
Yeah, spy
a
straight down.
little fucked.
Shout out.
Exactly what
What's
we
up, my
fucking
Tony
talked
Dean?
about
Popping up
last
on the
night.
algo?
You take that entry VP?
No, you did.
No, I'm
I'm,
not taking shit.
Austin, you too?
What's up?
Did you take an
Oh,
entry?
nice. Take out on the spring
I
call.
want these Thursday night lows to break, to be honest. I don't want to get stuck in a chop range.
Man, it's not looking choppy to me.
Alright, it's gonna do the last like 5 minute worth of stuff, so it should catch up a little bit, Josh.
Yeah, man, wow, what a freaking dump.
Was it just the Carvana that it missed? Or did it miss another one?
Dude, it's going right there to the lows now.
And
Can you guys hear
rejecting
me?
right off of them. Yeah, we can hear you.
Now
Am I
do.
talking over anyone? I couldn't hear anyone before.
No?
Okay,
we
I'm
couldn't
sorry.
hear you
I
before.
couldn't hear you on this morning. The spaces. Weird. So I'm watching Carvana this morning. I want to see a break of the low we just set there at 220. I did take a scalp. I'm gonna get back in on some weeklies. If we can get below there, probably by the 215s into the week. If we could break below that low we just set this morning.
BS coming in
into a big spot here at this 57.30.
All right. Here's your Thursday overnight lows right here.
Keep an
The
eye.
scary thing is if you
Keep
look
an
at
eye on
that's such a good
VKTX.
candle
We
for
had
getting in.
great
Dude, we
news over
still
the
got about like
weekend.
7
It
days.
hit my target actually in the pre-market here, but if it can get back
That's
over
such a good candle.
81.73, I'm gonna buy the $90 calls here.
Is that not just a complete rejection right there at the 837 candle?
This thing is eating right now, man.
Like complete buyer rejection.
Tesla continues selling.
Hey, wait for a retracement right here, guys. If you guys are planning on going short.
Hey, look at the futures chat. I
What?
said I have a hunch we're gonna get a 100-point drop within the first 15 minutes, and we just dropped 100 points.
Oh yeah.
Yo. Oh my gosh, dude.
Damn, we are just selling here, huh?
Yeah, rough day.
Look at Bitcoin. Hold on. Tesla just off the drop. AMD, crowd pulling back, but it's
I need this
down.
range to set.
PLTR has earnings.
We still got so much time left. We still got a 5-minute left on this 15-minute candle.
Are we back on that China trade?
Just so hard to sit here and let it run.
I know.
Oh man, that's 100 points. I could have passed.
Back in the China trade.
4.5% here, trying to break the 100.
She'll break.
China got a big up squeeze yesterday.
I'm gonna
5-minute flipping green here.
trade a little bit here.
I don't think Future K could see.
Yo, did I send my portfolio?
Trading voice
Oh,
chat.
we're all in the wrong chat, dude. We're supposed to all be in view party. I'm gonna move everyone.
Actually, I don't know. I think it was fine. I don't know. I woke up and everyone was mad.
Yep, we're all supposed to be in the free chat. Sorry. Sorry. We were all in the wrong chat. Forgot free week. We're supposed to be.
Wow, dude, we've been in the wrong chat for fucking
This whole time,
2.5 hours.
We-
We've been in here since fucking 6:30.
Yeah,
Ugh.
we were waiting
Here's
for
your
you to
bounce off
join.
here's your
Yeah,
bounce
that's what I
off
was
the 15 minutes from Friday.
Yeah, I'm waiting for it though because 1 minute still looks like it could gas up a little bit more.
That's the volume's still good. RSI is still rising.
Yeah, so I want to
We
kind of
just
wait.
crossed over that 20 or 9-day EMA.
I want to wait a little bit. What to wait?
For those watching on YouTube, we are doing a free week in the Discord, so we all are in an open free chat. If you want to come and trade with us,
I'm gonna take another trim at
we're
the
waiting
70
for
here.
Spy set the ranges for the
This is
futures
our
traders
overnight
here.
low where we opened Sunday night.
There's your low.
Man, Futures King, how was your trade last night?
Was for the high to set. We got 4 more minutes. Looks like this is gonna be the high though for the 15-minute. Nice wide range for futures today.
Oh, bounce.
couldn't
Also,
say the
this
last time
bounced
we
at
had a good
100 points.
small range.
My average is 35.
Yeah, Miles, that trade worked out real good. It had to be patient, but yeah, I did real good on it.
Had to
That's
be
awesome.
patient.
Damn, my name is VP, but it's okay. I'm not Ma.
Tesla 250 call.
Okay, VP.
No, they ignore him, Future King. We found him on the side of the street and told him he could make a lot of money.
Troll.
Yeah, they
Damn, that's crazy.
Found him in a hotel lobby.
yeah they found me in the hotel lobby. They felt bad, so they kind of took me in.
Almost got the 15-minute range set here.
Here it goes.
Come
We're
on,
catching some bounces
prick.
here.
8% today. Yeah.
Miles, this might be a good
Tesla
entry. Not gonna
250
lie.
call.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. There's our
Ballsy.
retrace. I want to get it.
Yeah.
Bad.
But dude, I don't know, dude. It's like that's 50-50 because we get the
I might
15-minute
run
range.
micro short right here and just put the stop at the range high.
Yeah.
Dude, this
Oh, you
trading
said
ads,
micro?
that's
Yeah,
on
that will
every
work.
Yeah, I
single
might
one
run
of
micro
my
put
so
the top at the
annoying.
range high.
I think mini would cost you about $1,000 if you do that. I think we still got what 50 points for the highs, 15 range highs from here.
Oh my goodness, that sounds exhausting.
And yeah,
We're
it's
getting
I
a
set
big news
I
on
set it up at
SMCI.
142.
Did we get news on AMD this morning?
And we got it like 100-point high.
Yeah, I don't want to touch that with the damn 6-foot stick. I want to stay away from it.
No, I'm blaming you.
We didn't even tap the Thursday overnight lows, and that's the bounce.
We're gonna
Nah,
reset
we'll
this alert on
dump. There's no way.
Canva at the
Gotta
Carvana
come
right
down.
here at the
Touch it.
lows.
What's VIX
We did
doing?
take the
Hold on,
trade
let's
this
look at the
morning.
overall
It had a
market real
great
quick.
pop,
Oh.
and we're looking to see if we
VIX
can
little
roll back
move up.
over here. The
Nvidia,
trade never went red though,
chilling.
which is great. Also have some DJT puts that are doing well right now.
I'm green, so
It's no way we get back
Looks
in
like
this
the
range.
IV's pumping
Tide is
here
chilling,
because it's actually
Google
working
down.
against me. I swung puts from last week.
Who said something about waiting on Nvidia to come up with a GPU and it's gonna moon?
Oh yeah,
1%.
because
Saw that?
Nvidia is gonna get added. That's why.
118 calls are almost in the money.
Well, yeah, but it's sitting at the all-time highs.
Yeah, the IV on DJT is
Tesla.
pumping.
Down 3.5%.
How do you long the all-time highs?
AFRM, $45 call.
Can we get a rejection from the VWAP here? 1 minute VWAP
FSOR
rejection.
is-
The implied volatility on DJT's up another 100% from last week.
Wow.
Oh damn.
Yeah,
Driveys juiced.
this thing is pumped to the moon. It's up slightly from last week, and my puts are still up because of the IV pump. It's so extreme.
About 70 points.
Look at this 15-minute range we're gonna have today.
That's 100
15-minute
points.
range.
Yeah, this
Jeez,
is gonna be crazy. One more
Man,
minute.
I literally.
Stressing me out. So,
That's crazy.
Oh my god, look at that buyback from the. Golly, bro, what the heck?
Yep.
Let's go.
That's why we wait for the range. We got 1 minute left.
Yeah.
whatchamacallit? Oh my god, this range is huge.
This range is insane.
I left my laptop open, my laptop tab with the Top Step X on, and
Yeah.
my laptop's off, but it keeps kicking me out and saying I need one session.
Looks like Carvana's
I want to
gonna
call my
try
girlfriend and wake her
squeeze
up and
out
tell her to
right
just
here.
turn this shit off.
We're gonna give this time when I set the position up an extra week, so we're gonna let that.
We got a cross
continue
on
to
1
ride
minute.
here. A bit longer.
Alright, 15-minute just closed, guys.
Proud
We got our range.
Next week.
Alright, there's your range.
FXI.
Yes, sir. Only 100-point range today. Not to worry about anything else.
What did we say? I have a hunch.
It's been going on this whole time.
100-point drop within 15 minutes. We got it.
Yep. Now we just wait for. Now we just wait for something to happen. Some kind of pattern to come out. Something.
There's your range for the 15-minute for futures traders. Been set right there.
How we wait.
Yes, they are. SPY up 20%.
Let's see where we break, Austin. You think we'll break the high or the low?
Even if we break the eye, wanting to go long is still.
Yeah, I'm not long in this at all.
For those watching on YouTube, I'm also live on X. So if you're hearing other traders, it's because I do a live show twice a week where I call out trades with some other traders on X as well.
Dude, Austin, if we just would have played that double top right there, we would have been up massive.
$72 call.
Yeah. Alright, watch it.
I'm gonna turn on my Roku TV just in
There's your point of control. It just tapped off of.
Calls on Roku? Oh, wow, it's moving this morning.
Wild movement
I
today,
mean,
guys.
Michael, no, so I didn't get to hear you
Is this
earlier.
just a fake out? We fill this
We
wick?
got a huge gap up on TLT actually. IWM actually looks like to be the leader. It's over the pre-market high here.
Classic.
Relative volume isn't really there yet.
Volatility, right? We know historically,
IWM
right
is
after
moving.
elections, volatility just gets
Bitcoin
crushed.
doing,
So,
chilling. Actually
looking
sold
at
off.
that from a little bit to see if there's
Yeah.
some ways to
Yeah,
take
TLT
there,
get up.
Roku did just hit the relative volume
so far this morning,
on the day as well. That could actually be a working trade. Keep up the 72 calls weeklies on Roku.
closely here just to see
I don't know if I'm really gonna take that.
1 minute is holding the wave up right there.
type strategy, about a week hold, so I'd be selling it next Monday. It's looking good here, right? This thing's been absolutely on fire. If we get like a red to green or something today, I think that's probably where I'll pull the trigger. has obviously just been an absolute insanity. So even getting back up to that high
trying.
Wednesday or so would be a great trade. That's it. So I'm just
I-
sitting here waiting for my algos to yell at me.
This might be dumb, but I might show it.
It's, people think that you always have to be in a position, and the more expert trader I talk to, the person who's been doing it longer, they know that you gotta pick your opportunities. So that's that. Makes a lot of sense.
Wait, why is it not? Okay.
I know how you guys feel.
I'll wait for to see
about
what the Weeblock
SMCI,
does here.
But I just jumped in $32 calls. Ciao.
Yeah, but I was just gonna say you're 100% right. I spend all my weekends running my systems, setting alerts, doing all that, and yeah, I spend most of the day just hanging about, waiting for them to happen.
Oh, I heard the Canadian.
Alright, we are back in Ranger set. Yeah, they're cool.
I was like, there he is.
Oh yeah, I'm glad I did not
SMCI, this is quite
lose
how do you
anything
not
that
close
Weeblock.
those?
The Weeblock mate.
SMCI?
SMCI actually has.
No one's gonna
Yeah,
play
if y'all ever
SMCI,
try to trade on a, like I left my laptop at home today. If you ever try to trade on a different device, make sure you close out your tabs because they'll keep kicking you out.
Huh. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Alright, so you on for the range high.
Yep.
There's 100 points.
Just gonna bounce.
Where? What is Mr. Stock Blocker saying in the chat?
Up 13%.
Stock Blocker.
China really rallying here.
Futu up 60%.
Hey, 90%. Hell yeah.
Should be printing.
He got in quick.
You just popped $1.50.
He's been in
Bot
those,
is
hasn't he?
working.
Huh?
The bot's working. There we go.
Blocker's been in those calls, I think.
Yeah, so I took this trade because
DJT is melting. We got energy going up.
Came down pretty hard. It's a little scary adding up here considering the last 8 candles on the 1 minute.
Come
Yeah,
on.
for those on
let's-
YouTube, we swung puts last night. Like madmen.
And they're going for the 15-minute range high. Oh no.
Looks like it
What's
might
up?
reverse off of the VWAP here in a few minutes, right?
Yeah,
I'm
5 minute.
watching, so what I like to do is on the 15-minute,
I'm gonna see if
You
it comes up a little
set
bit
a,
on my track
hold on,
here,
this video's too
but
loud, I can't talk, hold on.
it's just
On
area
this
that
15-minute,
show
I like
that's
setting a
nice.
range high at the top of the wick and then a range low at the bottom,
Well-
and I typically don't take any trades until we break out of that range. Because it could be very fakey, you know what I mean? It could, so,
Okay, I just took half off at $1.
but yeah.
Yeah, I want to see a meltdown here.
Reversal. Because, like, if we break the 15-minute range low, then we break the Thursday overnight lows as well, and we get a big push to the downside. There's plenty of room to catch that. Plenty, plenty, plenty. If we break the 15-minute range to the upside, we can push all the way back up to that overnight highs at 246. That's a 100-point move up. So it's like, you could take it here to try to predict it, but it's like, why not? Why not
Just wait.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you know?
Makes
Wait for your
sense. I'll agree with that.
confirmation.
Right here on SPY, I haven't done
Yes,
it
she
level
does.
5,
We
7,
bull
8,
flag
7,
in
8,
on the
7,
2-minute. Let's see.
Looks like a little bit of buyer stepped in right at that level. Stop it,
Yeah,
set
we're
it
just
as the
chilling.
worst case scenario.
We get over this 15-minute range high. I'm taking a micro for Friday's highs.
I
Or
kind of
at
like
least
these.
the overnight highs.
Kind of like these rainy mornings. So nice, the window open, just can't hear the rainfall.
Did Fredbot just give up on him?
Dude, no, I think 5 minutes. We're gonna flush down here because the 5-minute VWAP just gave us a nice rejection down.
Guys, trading is all about risk management.
But 1 minute VWAP is holding us again.
And when you see a lot of people on Twitter, like,
Yeah, what we do know is when we play the 15-minute range high, we play the 15-minute range low, we have a very high success rate.
Yeah.
That's what we do.
That's what counts.
That's what counts. Yep. So
Yep.
just be patient. Just like last time, we just gotta be patient.
I think we made 1500 on Friday. We just played the 15-minute range high.
You gotta stay disciplined. Always, 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 always.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
Friday was payday.
Friday payday, eh?
good points there, for sure.
Does time change mess with anybody else up?
Let's see, what's the 1 minute one?
I'm so excited to go to Puerto Rico, be an hour.
Positive live.
These morning spaces are never going to be.
Yeah,
never
this is
gonna be the same.
terrible.
It's going to be so much better.
I'm gonna just play one of my playlists I have.
Who's playing it?
Red
Yep.
Ball.
Yeah, I'm going for like 5-6 months. But
Oh, what happened?
BKT X
He
is
left.
such a
Okay, you can
bummer.
play your own now.
Chop. Ooh, is this trying to form a little inverse head and shoulder on the 1 minute? Is that
Yeah,
what
that's
it's
what I
trying
was
to do?
just about to say.
Is that what it's trying to do right here? It held.
Yeah. No, I think
I mean-
it could go down a little bit.
how could you?
I mean,
Left shoulder is not there. I mean, right shoulder is not there.
if you're a bear, right, you really wanted that dump this morning to break the lows, and it didn't.
Yes.
So, and then if you're a bull, you really wanted last night to push higher. So, if we can get over the 15-minute range high, the bulls can get another opportunity at that high again. And that's a 100-point trade for us.
I think I'm gonna buy both of them.
Mondays are usually range days, though, aren't they?
Yeah. Mostly, but because we have a-
trend.
Because we have election, I think this might be a trendy day. Might.
We have data at 9 a.m. Central. We have data in 5 minutes too.
Miles, you better play some Heat, brother.
I'm doing AMD 160.
I'm just letting it run through a playlist of mine.
It's trying to bull flag. It's trying
Y'all
to
can
bull
skip at
flag.
any point.
Yeah.
Kind of.
I am
It's a little
shorting
wacky,
DJT
but it's
because of the
trying to bull
election,
flag.
but I opened that
It's
short
a little,
on the
it's a
29th.
little wonky, but it's there.
I've never
It's-
seen a bull
it's-
flag.
It's only on 1 minute though.
Okay.
Nothing else is following.
short shares,
Not
by
even
the way.
5. 15 is still red.
Well, actually, I did
5.
not.
Bull
Everything is
flag on 3 minute.
3 minute, you
Dropping
said?
off,
2 and 3
Nvidia's
minutes are best trying to.
Oh, yeah.
Google's
So it's-
down. IWM's rolling back over a little bit,
Factory orders
but it's
for
holding.
September plus minus 0.4%.
Alright.
Let's rip the bandage.
That's coming up.
Yeah, let's see if this gives us a nice push over the 15-minute range high. I'm taking a freaking micro.
Well, I was really hoping to play
I
the head
did
and shoulder,
own the
but the shoulder
$8
didn't
puts
get
on
there. The lowest I
DJT
want. It's
for
technically a
December
head and shoulder
20th.
still, but
I wouldn't recommend
It's
buying this
wonky.
right now, though.
Your shoulders are
Applied
flipped.
by Pilsy pumped another 100% today.
yeah, this man's shoulders are a little bit weird. But we'll call it head and shoulder still.
130.
You could have crossed the upside on the 1 minute too.
Just wait for the 15-minute break high. That will be the trend neckline break, so you could go long from there for this head and shoulder, technically. And
We're
you'd
just in
have
a
the
weird
range,
spot, dude. It's such a weird time.
and we have a range as well. 15-minute range high break.
Future King, this gets much better. I've been told.
2,000 contracts loaded.
I'm
Yeah,
not
it
here
gets
for the
better when you
excitement.
get
I just
way
wanna
up.
Get good at trading.
So, I just want to add, Future King, last night, was that a trade you would like normally cut or anything like that?
Yeah, actually, I probably would have if I didn't, have the have you guys,
wild.
walking me through it.
Yeah. You and I were the
That
only ones
candle-
that got green out of that.
That candle call just slammed up.
You got more out
Yeah.
of it than I did, because I got stopped out at break even. But then I took some minis and
Yeah, me and Austin banked on the minis, at least.
Go to November 1st at 12:25.
It was a
I
good
ended up
trade.
making nearly 300 on it.
that's good.
Heck
Yeah,
yeah.
that's a
Good
good.
trade, dog.
Yeah,
Hey,
that's
Mr.
good.
Hey, Mr. Future, if you don't mind me asking, are you on like a funded account or Combine?
Are you
Future
asking me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just on an eval account.
Eval. Oh, okay, so Combine pretty much.
Is that the one?
Are you doing
said
it through
that's the
Top Step?
150K, right?
Yeah, I'm on 150s now.
That's 4,500 in profit, right?
5,000.
5,000. Okay.
So he just needs a little bit more to go.
Yeah, so he can take on a little bit more risk than I can too. I'm on the 50Ks.
Is your drawdown? What's your drawdown feature?
Dude, it's massive. It's like 6.
It's
3K.
5,000, I think, also.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah, but it's you got to make like 6 grand, don't you, to pass, or 9 grand?
Five.
Actually, let me check. Because
I thought it was
I've always
9 grand.
used
I thought it was on 100. I thought on 100,000 it was 6K, and I think on the 150 it's like 9 or
I think
12.
it's 369.
Yeah, I think you're right. I think it is 9,000.
Uh,
9? Yeah, man, you got a little bit more to go, brother. Yeah. Man, that's why I
Yeah, I
like
just
the
started.
50. That's why I like the 50,000 because your stop loss, I mean your stop and your take profits are not that bad.
Yeah, I've always used the 50Ks before, but this one I just decided to try the 150.
Yeah. Yeah, no. I'm
Man,
about
this
to
is
scoop up a 150. Oh, here we go. Here we go.
it's
Come on.
still looking choppy.
Austin, your
Come
candle
on,
curl
NASDAQ.
is mooning.
It's bull flagging on the 2-minute. That's a bull flag. That is a
Candle
guaranteed
curl
bull flag if we get the break up here.
mooning.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the 15-minute break. Then
And
I
then
will
we
trade
can
something.
we can target at least the 178s. Then we could target the 207. Then we can target the Friday highs.
Yeah, Friday highs. Let's go.
Yeah. Yep. Yep.
You're looking for upside, Austin?
Oh wow. Ate it. This is why we wait.
I'm gonna cut my lottos from last week.
2 minutes. 1 minute for news.
News might make this bitch moon.
I'm just saying, I've seen it all, dude.
I gotta pee, but it's a really bad time.
I've seen guys that have like manipulated natural gas contracts.
Morning, Kyle.
Morning.
Odd way. I'm not gonna tell you how to do it, but that took like 8 months in order to figure it out.
What up?
What's good?
And it was something similar to that.
I'm gonna close the lottos from last week.
Oh, you know, just making money like usual.
SMCI is up 8% here.
I placed my
DJT's
first
up
order on that
14%
SMCI.
here.
Hopefully I did it right.
First order ever?
Yeah.
Good job. There we go.
Yeah, SMCI is pumping here. We're up 15% now.
Now we just gotta get you
We're up
5,000 profit on your
17%
first
now.
order, so you're hooked.
That volatility is nuts.
I'm joking.
Data's
That's
out.
just,
We're moving. Here's your 15-minute range high. We're pushing.
Need to hold it.
yeah, we need a candle close above it. Until then, nothing.
I'm gonna buy some more.
Don't blow your
of those
load
DraftKings.
early here, fellas.
I don't have any of my original receivers because they're all are on IR. So.
And we wicked right under it, Austin.
I tried right there.
That's what we were in confirmation.
Yeah, it also hit the VWAP.
On 15-minute or
5.
yeah. No, I was already hit on 5.
It's been touched on 5.
Yeah. Yeah, it's been touched. Yeah, I think this might just dump again. This could be the range. We're just gonna play the 100-point range today, guys.
I
Which
averaged
is
in.
fine. You don't take any trades, you can't lose any money.
Yeah. But we could keep waiting. Waiting does not hurt. Breaking even day is a green day, in my opinion.
Those red trades, that's what hurts.
Oh yeah. And I mean, if you traded from last night, you should be up already, so we're good.
Here she goes. She's trying again.
No, I'm
Here's
grabbing
VWAP.
water.
VWAP and 15-minute range high right above it, and then we should get a nice move up.
VP better
What's
run,
SPY
big dog.
doing?
I am running.
IWM's still up. VIX is dropping off. SPY's still trying to move up as well.
We clicked above it, VP.
I'm running. I'm almost there to
Tesla,
my
great
computer.
reversal. Tesla,
I got it.
great reversal.
All right.
Are you in it, VP?
Yeah, I mean, thinking about it. You?
There we
I'm
go.
about to.
We're over the 15-minute range high, holding the
Yeah,
VIX, trying to get
we-
over.
I'll wait for the 5-minute to close above the 15-minute because that should give us a cross on 5-minute.
We got 3 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. What does she do?
It's holding VWAP on the 3-minute. It's It's holding VWAP on trying to on the 5 minute.
That's funny. One of the traders just called out Twilio, and Twilio
I think I
just
might
hit
just
that bot.
target Friday's highs if we get above this and hold actually.
Ooh, volume just came in right there.
I'll target Friday's highs or. So first target would be 176 for me.
If you want to play Twilio, I'd
Then
go a month.
213. Then we'll see from there.
I'd go more than a month out. I'd probably buy the December calls here. I might take a look at this.
We ain't working out yet.
We still got 1 minute left on the 5 minute, and it's just still going back under that range. We need a hold.
Data candle completely flat.
Yeah, we need something to happen here.
FXI, I'm down 3%. AMD, I'm down 5%.
There it goes. Get up there, baby girl. It just doesn't want to, dude.
Guys, TWLO. Look at the flow. Look at the gamma.
Our DJT puts up 27% here now.
You gotta cross to the upside on the 3 minute.
Gotta be careful with this one. I should have taken some profits.
Don't tell me they're gonna close it doji. We got
still alive.
about a minute left. 50 seconds left on 5 minutes.
RSI
Just view up again.
Resetting nicely.
Right on it.
1 minute is just holding.
Volume is pouring in. Look at that.
Just hanging out on it. Patience, fellas, patience.
Yeah, don't be afraid to trade the Russell.
We're vibing. We got
Russell's
music
very
going on.
strong.
Waiting for the trades to
For
happen.
futures, RTY, very
What else do
strong.
we need?
A big move up that we're all in.
Dang. We got first gambler for the day.
I see what you're talking about, Austin. I'd rather Future King win this than me.
All right, 5 minutes did not close above.
It
Yeah,
closed green though. It closed green.
it closed green, but we didn't get the 15-minute high close. You know what I mean? Like above it.
The bot just called out CRISPR.
I would like to close above it.
That's the
Yeah,
first
hold
time
on.
our
You know
bot's
what?
ever called CRISPR.
I would even like a bull flag here on 1 minute. Go long from there. One more bull flag on 1 minute. I would like that if that's kind of set up. Even 2 minutes bull flag would be good.
The 15-minute candles are so ugly, though.
Yeah, I'm just hoping we don't go down to fill the wick on the 15-minute candle because that candle is 100 points down. I mean, if we do, we can just play that side. It doesn't matter.
Oh, yeah, but...
Here we go. Get us over this VWAP. Get us over this 15-minute range. Come on.
He's trying.
Give it to us.
We're sitting at a 60 RFI.
There we go.
Here we
Come on.
go. There's the VWAP. There's your range high. Can we get the squeeze? We really need over that data wick, that previous candle we just had.
Yeah.
We're being super cautious here, Future, because if you do miss your entry by 5-10 points, you're still not missing out on a whole bunch.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just here waiting on you guys.
We'll start yelling. Then you'll know we're getting a trade.
I bought the.
There's the confirmation.
I bought
That's
$60
cool.
calls for CRISPR December 20th.
I was up hella on that micro just now. I couldn't imagine it what it was up like 20 minutes ago.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It was big time.
Where's the move?
Alright, there we go.
Not in nothing yet, though.
Na 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 na. Da na 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 na. There's your 15-minute range high. You're over the VWAP. Now, if the Bulls want to step in, we can at least see the overnight high. If they really want to step in, we'll see Friday's highs.
So right now we're up
I want to get in so
We're down
bad, but it just keeps
4%
We
bouncing
need
on
over this
Carvana.
point of control at the 63s.
We're down 4% on Carvana. We're up 27% on DJT. We're up
163.
2% on DraftKings.
Yep.
We're up 11% on SMCI right now. And we're
Yeah.
flat on
Probably trying
Twilio.
to shake everyone out first.
Level 2s, I would definitely leverage it as much as possible. But we're trying to hold.
So
I know, I want to
set
get
up a
in
lot
so
of
bad
plays
right here and
this
just let it
morning.
run.
Because things are moving well, trending well. Charts look good.
The sellers aren't done yet. It seems like they still want to knock
Gonna
this thing
kind of
Bro,
pause here
I
for a little
don't.
bit.
Dude, there's no trade coming. No setup. Nothing is happening right now. Miles, yo, you better not get on anytime.
I'm not getting at anything right now.
We got no setup or nothing.
Yawn, yawn, yawn.
We're going based off that Magic 8 Ball right now.
New high a day or $70 calls. A swing from Fridays up 200% or 72.
Yeah, there's no major economic news this morning. It's all tomorrow. And then Thursday, we're going to have some bond auctions, which will be important. Okay. All right. So we got nothing, no major news for the rest of the day.
Intel down 3% today off of the Dow Jones kick out.
Best things that stuff.
Watch the 757 on ES. If you break below that, it can roll back over to the lows.
Could be start a turnaround. Dow Jones shareholders get all the losses, and then
SMCI contracts are wild, dude. We're still hanging around here at the highs. It's trying to get a reversal and pump back over the highs here. With a nice reset on the RSI, so it can get a gigapump again. On next gigapump, I'm definitely taking some profits because we were up 25%, and I pinged it in the Discord
Is
to
this
take
the same-
profits, but I didn't do it.
You're going to have to try again, noob.
This is the same Josh that said I'm not allowed to play my playlist, but it would suck. We're in here, baby.
I can barely hear you. What'd you say?
You're about to get across to the upside on the
What-
EMAs.
what
in the
smack
5
you
minute.
talking?
You're about to get it.
Baby, bye, bye, bye.
Baby, bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye.
They would have to break those 60s, though, like you said, to get across.
Yeah, really waiting for that point of control.
Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye.
Today's the day where you got to know when to take your profits and skedaddle.
Dude, it's so freaking annoying when TradingView like does an ad or something. It
Watching
pops
this
up on
1 hour
every single
candle.
one of my charts. Wow, I'm glad they cut that VKTX from last week, man. That is so annoying. It went over my target in the pre-market and then rolled over. Ugh, it's so gross.
That was just such a big rejection
So
right there.
gross that they did that. Evil.
On the last hour candle.
So your point of control just moved, actually. The volume just really picked up right here. Your point of control's at 20,130 now. The volume is really picking up right here. Point of control just completely moved.
I think this thing is going to be really choppy today and tomorrow, and we're not going to actually get any
I want
fun
at least
trading until
overnight
Wednesday.
highs. That's all I want. I just want the overnight highs. We came down, we touched the Thursday overnight lows, we couldn't print lower. Come on, bring us back up to the overnight high.
That's the most foolish thing I've ever heard in my life.
That looks pretty good.
Yeah, spiky. Greatest retailer in the world. You know, I went to Sam's Club this weekend. I spent a ridiculous amount of money that I didn't need to.
Don't forget, by the way, if you guys are holding any TLCR stuff.
So last night after I got off of here, I lost nearly all of my profits, and then had to make them all back over the course of the next few hours. I felt like a schmuck, but I stopped with
Let's
where
reset this.
I lost probably like 60% of my profits, and then actually I sized down and made it all back.
Good for you, Mr. Newbie Noob.
Whatever, dude.
What's that?
No, we're just messing with you. Are you driving right now?
Oh no. Yeah.
He's at work, boys.
Noob, we finally found someone of your kind. Meet Future King.
Oh.
Hello, noob.
How's it going, guys?
Pretty good.
This market's
Yeah, I hope you have
completely
nothing else to do this morning, Future.
Hood looks like it can pump more from here, but I want to see the relative volume pick
I
up.
said I hope you have nothing else to do.
This is choppy chop.
We could sit here for 3 hours and nothing happened.
Well, I mean, it's election week, so I don't. Anything could happen here.
I mean, we're not in any hurry to get in any trade.
Yeah, we'll just wait for the setup. Wait for the setup.
Bonds are ripping today. Is anybody long bonds?
No, not
Nobody
on
wants bonds with you,
TLT.
noob.
I'm on TLT longs, but I've been in them for a long time. I'm not even looking. How bad? How big are we ripping? How big? Are we at 120 yet?
Up over a point. Like a point.
Oh, really?
Did Trump drop in the polls?
Correlate at all.
It depends if you're superstitious or not.
Did anyone
Technically,
play
you're supposed to,
IWM?
kind of, but not really when you actually look at a
Oh,
long
muted
history
in
of them.
Discord, wow.
No.
Yeah.
Wait, how long have I
Same
been
way.
muted in Discord? Holy cow.
For a long time.
My
Welcome
bad.
back, Josh.
My bad.
Yeah.
My bad.
Yeah, Josh.
Yeah. Did you guys hear my Russell call out earlier then? I guess you didn't.
We haven't heard anything for the last
YouTube
30,
did.
45 minutes.
Oh, wow. Okay,
Probably
my
30
bad.
minutes.
My bad.
It's alright. You turned off our music and you muted yourself. What a guy.
I didn't. Wait. I only muted it for me.
No,
No, you
we
turned
ended
it off.
messing with you. Turned it off for like a few minutes.
Now we're listening to Unwritten and Bye Bye Bye. What's happening?
Noob, you act like you weren't shaking it down to this 20 years ago.
The rest is still unwritten. I never liked. What was that? Underwood. I never really watched her. Or is that the other one? I don't know.
Those of you who
I didn't realize-
do you use prop firms or is that just your own account?
On account.
Hey,
Yeah, I've not been made aware of a prop firm that allows you to trade options. Otherwise, I'd be all about that.
Well,
Yeah,
but
there we go.
this, you can't
Carvana's
trust them.
trying to squeeze.
Oh, there we go. Look at Q's going, boys. And Q's trying here.
Is Q's up?
Yeah, she is trying.
Relative volume's kind of dying down though. This gets under 1, it can get really trappy. I'm in a short, but I have 2 weeks on the short for Carvana. We're gonna let this play out a little bit more. We're up on DraftKings. We're up on SMCI. We're up on DJT puts. We're up on CRISPR. Twilio's also up. We're up 11% there. Carvana is the only one that's kind of a laggard. We're down at 8% right now. I'm gonna give this time. It's rolling over like I want to, but I want this EMA cloud divergence. I want this to clear right through this. In all likelihood, might get squeezed on this for a little bit longer, but I'm gonna let it play out. We have 2 weeks on those contracts.
Come on, NASDAQ.
I
Come
might have made a slight misplay because SMCI should be up way more than this on the contracts. We were up 25% at one point. I called out in the Discord to take some profits, but I didn't do it myself. Should have taken at least a little portion off. But it's coming back
Those
to us.
calls-
We're up 12% now.
Those calls, even though they you know, SMCI was falling like a rock, those calls were not as cheap as I expected them to be. There was still a lot of juice in those calls.
Yeah. I'm just looking for pump into earnings. I don't hold these through earnings. I
Are
probably
you talking SMCI earnings? Are they even going to announce earnings? I figured because of all their shit with their accountant, they're going to have to push it.
I don't know.
I'm assuming they're not going to have earnings the same time
Come on,
they work.
Nick.
They're going to have to
I
hire
thought
a
you
new
did.
firm and they're going to have to rework everything.
NQ, move right there. Let's go.
This looks like it's about to pump.
I want to get in so bad.
At 15-minute just fired green. We should get new highs on SMCI coming here soon. Just got to be patient with it. Just got to be patient with it. Tulio's up 13% right here. It's playing out pretty well. It's just
They're
pumping.
killing
baby.
premium in MicroStrategy today. They're taking tons and tons of premium out of MSTR.
Did you sell some
Here's that
positions
NQ
there?
move.
Yeah, I've got strangles in there, and they're up $3
Let's go.
per strangle.
Let's go.
Oh.
There's your cross to the upside. Here we go. Give me Friday highs.
just
Give me
entered
last
on
night
it too.
highs. Come on. Give me last night highs. Give it to me.
Oh, did we go long yet?
I'm in.
I've been long over this 15-minute range high right there. And
That's
we're
what you're
finally
looking
getting
at?
the cross. We're starting to squeeze.
My order
there's
didn't get
still-
filled.
There's still 80 points to the upside if we can touch the overnight high.
What is your
So,
what's your level at for the 15-minute?
20,142.
Oh no way! I just FOMO'd into a loss.
And I'm not in minis. I'm just in micros.
I'm in many.
I just want to see if I don't want to get destroyed in some chop. I just want to see overnight high. It's a couple $100. Take my green. Dude, hey, Josh, John Schultz, by the way, brother-in-law, he's up $1,200. Can you believe that?
John. Oh, on what?
On his top step. He's up 1,200 today.
Wow.
Yeah. Hey, sometimes it's not skill. You just gotta get lucky, you know.
That's brutal.
That was brutal. Yeah. Keep in mind we're live on YouTube if you want to talk smack.
Dude, he's never traded before.
Okay, yeah, that's fair.
Yeah, he's never traded. Yeah. There's no skill when you've never traded before.
Yeah.
Does this have a
Pretty
chance to go back
obvious.
down and touch, Austin?
What's up?
This has a chance to go back down and touch the 15-minute high, doesn't it? Oh, JK.
I don't know.
Defended the EMA.
Oh, you gotta just talk a little shit.
Convergence there. Ew.
Nice. So since we got over the 15-minute range high, we're up 30 points already.
I can't believe VKTX went back into this chop zone, dude. What? It was such great news over the weekend. I might, if this gets much lower than here, I'm gonna buy some more shares.
Josh, look at silver on the short time frame on that chart and tell me it doesn't look good for a short under 32.68.
I scaled one out for $200.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm like reorganizing my charts a little bit.
I'm gonna scale back in.
Come on, NQ. Give
what
us
ticker are you
Friday
looking at?
highs.
I want to add on at this retrace if it goes back in.
Futures.
If it comes down, I'm gonna get back in. If it comes down, I'm gonna get back in here.
SI or SIL?
If it comes down here to the 15-minute high range, I will get back in NQ1.
I mean, this chart's kind of
I want to scale in right here.
This is kind of noise.
Yeah. If we can just chop back up to the last night highs, I'll be happy. I mean, we swept the Thursday night lows. We came all the way back down, wicked, and we've been up since. So
I might
Yeah,
just let this
under
run.
32.66. Is that what you said?
I'm just gonna let this
68, 66, somewhere around there. Yeah.
Oh, it wicked me. It didn't feel me. What the heck? Dude, I got
move this up to break
I got like a
even.
4-day,
I do
4-day
see
trend
that.
line drawn. I have
You
like a
would.
4-day trend line on this down move. We've been pretty much keeping this level. We broke out above it today, but it looks like it's gonna fail unless we can rally like right here. It looks like it's gonna fail right back through that trend line.
Yeah, but I'd look for the break.
Well, I'm not getting short yet. I'm watching it.
It's a good buyer's candle.
Yeah. No, that can pay.
There's no way we just crawl.
There it is,
to the top
Vic.
right here.
Come on, baby. Give
Come
it to
on
me.
now.
Give it to me. Give it to me. We are up. Let's see.
Top step, let me pay for the same combine twice.
I mean, what this probably does is form
Yeah,
a wedge
let me
right
do it
here
too.
though on silver.
DSB, you're $100 into one account.
It looks like it's starting to form.
Call
this.
support. They'll
Give me a
call,
Like it'll
call
bounce.
support DSB. They'll help you out.
I'm in the support right now.
When you
in the
play
Discord.
wedges, YouTube, when you get the break, like let's say we get,
Come on, NQ.
let's say we
Push.
chop through here,
Push, push, push.
right? We chop through here, and then you get the break to the upside, right? You play
There
on
it
the break,
goes.
and then the lower part of the wedge is your stop, okay? That's what makes
Almost like
wedges so
TP1.
nice, because it makes your risk management super easy.
We're almost
So,
at
watch that.
TP1, but this has got legs. I think we go to Friday. I think we go to
Watch
last
that.
night highs at the 48s.
Yeah, I'm up 200 and I've got my
Spy's
second stop set at
pumping.
125 in the positive.
The option traders on X are buying 0 DTE calls on SPY. And so they're super bullish. You guys all bullish on the futures too?
Yes. Yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes.
I know Austin's already in a position. Nice.
I'm in one
Yeah,
as
we're
well.
50, we're at 50
Yeah.
points already.
50 points
I'm,
already? Oh, you're
Yeah, I
printing.
scaled out.
Oh, yeah.
I scaled out at 200 and I'm
50.
up.
5 points.
So
There's TP1 right there.
YouTube,
TP1's right
YouTube,
here.
we're about to close the stream, but we're doing a free week. We're doing a free week in the Discord. Let me mute
Let it
myself
run,
so everyone
Austin.
can hear me. We are doing a free week. So if you click the link in the description, the whole week you could trade with us all week for free. All right, but I'm gonna close the stream. Before I close the stream, I'm gonna call out our plays right now. So we're up 25% on DJT. We're up 7% on DraftKings. We're up 17% on SMCI. We're up 20% on Twilio. We're up 5% on CRISPR, and it's still in this Carvana. Carvana's the laggard. It's kind of squeezing me a bit, but we have some extra time on that one. We have an extra week, so I'm gonna let that ride, and we're gonna see how this goes, baby. It's a pretty good week. It's a pretty good morning, I should say. Rather, the futures traders got long on ES. They're playing this further to the upside, probably looking for the 573, similar level to what I have here. If we break over this, look for 574 most likely. If you're in options and you're wanting to play a longer position, honestly, I don't want to play this with options with any time until we get over the all-time highs. Once you get over the all-time highs, some December $600 calls can pay, and they can pay nicely, but that's all stuff that I covered on the weekly report. I'm going to go ahead and end the live stream. If you found this helpful, like the live stream. It helps a bunch, helps us grow. We're trying to help retail traders grow, baby. All right, y'all have a good one.